everyone? So working on the Ram again. Got the Eastwood rust encapsulator in today in the mail, so I figured I'd go ahead and tape up the door and put this stuff on and see how it works. So alright, so like I showed you before, we got this patch here and then a little bit right there. Not much on this truck at all, really. It's a very solid truck. Back up here and kind of give you guys a overall look of it. Nice looking truck, right? Just a little bit of rust right here. And then I also meant to get to this, which I have not yet. So anyways, I got some paper out, some tape, kind of tape that up so it doesn't drip and run. I doubt it will, but just to be careful, you know. Alright, you can't stay right there when I'm painting, little doggy. You have to move on. Got it all taped up. Take up the can. Alright, Jojo. Alright, so the instructions say clean loose rust with a brush before application, remove rust, oil, grease, and contaminants. Shake can for 2 minutes. After mixing, ball rattles freely, which we haven't got there yet because I haven't shook it for 2 minutes. Apply when can, and surface temperature is between 50 degrees Fahrenheit. Alright, Pesci, what do you think, boy? There you go, one coat on there. Looking good. Nice light coat. Probably only need 2 coats for this stuff. And then I'll probably come over the top of this with a little bit of Bondo, some epoxy Bondo in there. Just kind of coat it to keep it sealed in so moisture won't get through those little rust holes like that one. And these over here, hole, you know, all around that centering hole that I need for the trim. So if that happens to rot away, then that trim's not going to want to stay there, or it's going to be up or down. It's not going to be as simple as having the factory hole in it. So alright, what do you think, Pesci? You like that? What do you know? Greatest job ever? No. But is it gonna get done? Yes. Is it gonna slow down the rust? Yes. Do I got a million other projects to get to? Yes. This is just slowing it down, right, JoJo? We're just slowing down the rust there, baby boy. Yeah, all right. Okay then. You trying to bite me? Huh? You trying to get me? I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. Little boy. Okay. So I got this metal reinforcement filler here from O'Reilly. Fantastic metal filler. Got the little squeegee comes with it. Hardener. So there we go. Alright, well, there you go. Curdy Kurt's used car lot body man job wrapped up. So let that stuff dry overnight, sand it down, and throw some paint on it, and then we'll put the side moldings here back on. I've laid them out here on the truck bed for a couple weeks now so they can flatten out with the heat from the sun. And yeah, now we got this part done. Well, pretty much almost done. We'll get it done tomorrow after. So got it sanded down just about as smooth as I care about. It's not gonna be seen, so it's not gonna matter. And honestly I could leave it like that and just put the molding over it and it wouldn't matter, but I'm gonna spray it with the Rust-Oleum again just to kind of coat it a little bit more. All I'm trying to do is just knock down that little hill right there, so to speak, that little bump, and make it flush with everything else and nice and smooth, so that way when this trim piece goes on, it won't be sticking out at all. I'm trying to smooth it down so that way the trim doesn't bulge out a little bit. Not that it's too bad, but you still want to knock it down a little bit. So, well, that's why they send 2 caps with these things, because they know somebody like me is going to forget to hang it upside down, hold it upside down, and spray it when you're done. Well, this is the only other cap I got, so I'm going to have to remember to do that. Watch out, Pesci. Alright, that should do it. Eastwood Rust Encapsulator Plus. Let that dry for a while. Come back and check on it. Alright, well, there you go. Not bad at all, right? It looks a hell of a lot better than it did. And like I said, this isn't the absolute right way to fix this, but this will fix it for a long time. I treated the metal, then we, with the phosphoric acid stuff, the FOS, and then we did the Rust-Oleum rust encapsulator, and then we did the metal Bondo putty, and then we did the Rust-Oleum over top of that. So should be good there. We'll put the trim piece back on another day, and then we'll move up here to this window channel and get that next. The roof is a whole nother bigger deal, which I've shown you guys before, but you know, there it is again, if you haven't seen it before. That's the worst part of the truck, but you got to do one piece at a time. So there you go, there's an update on it.